Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I know I said that I was gonna get 3 project cars done before the end of the year and I wouldn't be buying any more cars. I bought another car. Sorry. I think you're gonna be really excited about this car because you guys will be somewhat involved in this later on, which we'll get to. So get excited. But I bought a car that's low power, that's gonna be a lot of fun, it's gonna be driftable, and it's in there. It's right there behind us. You can't see it. I promise you, it's here. We're in like a private storage yard, and there's a little bit of it. It's literally under this. It's manual, it's a straight 6, and it's everything we need. Trust me, it's gonna be good. We're gonna get it at Ebisu, and it's gonna be great. We're gonna teach May how to drive with it. We're gonna let tons of people use it so they get to experience Ebisu. But anyways, enough of that being said, we're gonna deal with this to get this thing out of here. We're gonna need a forklift too, probably. Yeah, this is gonna be bad. Hang on, let's just gear up. We went to the home center. I got all the gear that we need. We got gloves, and we also grabbed this fine boy here. This is a weed whacker, I'm sure you guys know. Let's get in there. Let's retrieve my new car. Yeah, let's go, baby. I wonder what it could be. Can you tell what it is yet? I bought an Altezza. I don't know my level of regret yet. Halfway through cutting it out, I was like, oh boy. Sight unseen, literally unseen. Trust me though, it's worth it. It even comes with Advans.
Wait, no way.
Yeah.
Ah, I'm jealous. Those look really nice.
I do. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I love that I just literally carved out a car. Let me know in the comment section, but has there been an automotive YouTuber that has revealed their new car purchase by carving it out of grass and weeds like this? You guys are getting 2 for 1 here. Landscaping and automotive video. Now we gotta forklift this out, I think. I'm gonna kind of just climb on the roof and push all the weeds over, and I hope there's no habu snakes in there. That's what I'm worried about. Yep. The roof is really caved in because at some point this definitely had another, car sitting on top of it. But we're gonna kick it out, and then we're gonna just put a perspex in the back. The back got shattered too when that happened. Inside the car is something else. Oh, it's open.
Oh. Hey!
I'm gonna need some, like a bio mask.
Yeah, don't go in there, but ooh, it comes with a lot of ants. A lot of ants.
A lot of ants. I mean, that's expected. It was buried.
Hey, you.
Oh, I know why it got dumped in here. Someone forgot to remove this before flight. Oh, whose keys are those? They're probably the keys for the car. Oh, there's the paperwork.
Oh, it's got papers.
Yep. Well, this is gonna be fun.
Oh man, look how many little trees you have and actual trees you have. Don't breathe.
Oh, look, there's actually grass growing inside it.
Oh wait, no, that's a
grass.
That's a fake grass.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
The vines growing through the door seal. Look at this mold. Yeah.
Man, yeah, you probably want to take out those
Yeah.
door cards.
But listen, probably the most amount of work that's going to go into this car is cleaning out the interior.
I think this might be a strip interior pressure wash, the few pieces you want to keep, sort of thing.
Most likely, yeah. But there is a purpose for this car.
Yeet.
We knew the roof was caved in, but that's a little more caved in than I was anticipating. I guess this is what Altezza life is like. Over the next few videos, you're gonna find out that we came to Okinawa for a lot of stuff. This being one of them, but also the next video is gonna be pretty crazy because it involves Riley. But yep, let's go get the forklift. Now listen here, all right? I don't want no dents, no scratches. You gotta be fine. You gotta be gentle with her, all right?
Sounds good.
Yeah?
Yep.
You can do that for me?
Easy day.
All right. This is a big moment for us. Gentle. Oh God. I think he's just making room, you know. He's just clearing out the grass. Yes! Yes! Yes!
It's attached to the...
Attached to the grass. Yeah, there we go. Yep. Oh. Here we go. We're taking the whole thing with us. Yeah! I'm glad you know what you're doing. I think he's got a Kakimoto muffler on there. Pretty squashed, eh? You got another one in there? I think what everyone's going to be excited about is, one, it's manual. 2 is the engine package. Just going to look under there first before I stick my hands in case, you know.
Oh my God, it's got a snail, Sam.
My gosh.
It's got
Lots of snails.
quad snails.
Yep, she does. We got power, I think. Does she run?
Whoa.
Mint! Yeah, we might need an exhaust manifold. I think it'll move, but I don't know if I want to sit in it. This may have been a bad decision.
Altezas are never a bad decision, Sam.
This one though?
Bro, it fires right up!
First and reverse work. That's the main thing. This may be the worst purchase
No,
ever.
no. No. No way.
Regret is
No.
sitting in pretty
No.
hard.
There's no regret. It runs and drives, Sam.
Is this how all our Tesla owners
Bro,
think?
Gem Mint, I know what I got. Altezza, these things are super rare, Sam. It's not like...
That's a 6-speed.
Yeah.
If it can do one thing, like just one thing, if it can do one thing that I just need to check, then we're good. That's all I care about, okay? I mean, I've seen worse. I have. But we just gotta, you know, kick her out a bit. That's already like 90% good.
Let's open the back seat.
There's no one's ever gonna be in the back seat, so I think it's fine. Yeah, let's fill her up. Give her some juice. We just need to do one thing to make sure it works, and we're good. It just needs to be able to do one thing. You can't do it.
A few moments later.
Whoa, that's a centipede.
Ooh, jeez. Back here.
Don't mess around with those.
It's not.
I don't think it's the poisonous one, but.
Yeah, it's not this super aggressive one, but.
So unfortunate the roof has caved in this much. But
This car was meant for you. Sylvia.
yeah, Sylvia mats in there. Like, let me know in the comments, guys, but I think this is the worst car we've ever got. I mean, full disclosure, we knew the roof was caved in. I didn't know it looked like this, but it's alright, you know. S15 cluster. Comes with a fair few goodies. This is an automatic S15 cluster though.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, we just pissed off the ants. Uh-oh. So here's my plan. I'm gonna wrap my body in this plastic and jump in the back.
What are you doing?
We got this. There's so many ants in here. Oh my god. Instant regret.
Stand up with your shoulders or something.
No.
Alright, just go. Quickly. Yeah. Yeah. Push near the windowsill and it should... Oh, the ants live in the roof, Sam, get out. The ants live in the roof.
Oh, they're really mad. I guess they live in the roof.
Probably between the, like, headliner. Yeah, a little brake clean. It came out.
Look at all the roots.
Look at the bug killer.
Yeah. Let off some bombs in here.
Yeah.
The bug bombs. Dude, the spiders and everything coming out of this. It's pretty impressive, but I'm not surprised. The back window is knowing. Pull the trunk. Dude, I've been looking for this. It's the magnet for the speaker that fell through.
Hey Sam, I dare you to lift the carpet.
I really wanted a wheel spacer. I'm glad it came with one.
Actually, that belongs to the ants.
Yeah, it does. Everything, this car belongs to the ants. Oh, I knew there was a swimming pool in here.
Yep.
I'm just tearing up the ants' vacation home. Like, that's their pool.
Alright, it's not as bad under there as I thought, but...
No, it's perfect. It's ready.
There should be a plug. Oh, wow.
There it goes.
Same spot.
I now own an Altezza manual, 6-speed, straight 6. It's in need of a turbo, maybe a buff and like a wash. And some extermination.
Yeah, let's start there. You should probably, like, if we can, get the rear seats out and just not have them.
Oh, the rear seats are 100% just going to be stripped out, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I'm starting to realize something about Altezza owners. They all keep one of these in the back of their seat. We ran out to the home center and we got this. This is a bug bomb. You guys have seen me use these before with the abandoned R32 Skyline. We actually used one of these. You light it and then it's like a smoke bomb. And you sit it in there and you just let it do its thing. They're amazing for when you get your dream car and it's like this. So what's actually pretty cool is it's like a match, like matches. So there's a little striker here. So you pull this off. And then see this? And then the cap has the striker like stuff on here. So all we're gonna do is open the door, you strike it, it burns, you sit it in there, and you close it. And it just started, oh, look at it go, look at it go. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's it. Dude, that thing will do up to 18 tatami mat space. That's a lot. Look how much heat's coming out of it. Dude, look at it go. Oh yeah, look. It's just, whoa! That window's not shut properly. Where's the masking tape? I'll just put my weight on it, hold it in. I got it. Everything's dying in here now. Ugh. Let me know in the comment section, do you think I made a bad decision? Is this the worst car I've ever bought? Am I gonna regret this? Maybe I already do. I definitely do. But
Nah, mate, she's mint.
she's mint.
She's mint.
She is gonna serve a good purpose. You'll see soon.
Like I've always said, Sam, you need an Altezza.
You got another one in there? Sorry,